This is a BC Eagle finance video. Free cash flow. How to calculate free cash flow for problem 317 using an Excel spreadsheet. On your screen now is a template for calculating free cash flow. The contents of the screen would be from the problem in your textbook that shows the income statement in millions of dollars for 2018 and 2017 and the balance sheet in millions of dollars for 2017 and 2018. The top right hand side, you can see the formula that the textbook uses for the change in net operating working capital, as well as the formula that it uses for free cash flow. The questions that we are to answer are A, what is the net operating working capital for the years 2017 and 2018 with the assumption that the firm has no excess cash, meaning that none of the cash is to be considered a financial asset. And then secondly, what is the free cash flow for the year 2018? And then how would you explain the large increase in dividends from $46 million in 2017 to $60.5 million in 2018? Table A shows the calculation of the net operating working capital. You notice in certain cells you have the REF indicator, meaning that you want to enter an Excel cell reference. And in other cells you see the formula indicator indicating that you want to enter an Excel formula. A third thing that you will see is a function that you would need to enter in Excel. So how would you start? Go to where you want the answer to appear, click the left mouse button. Start a reference with an equal sign, push the equal, and then push to the first value that you want to have entered into cell H17, which in our case is the cell reference from B18. When you push enter, the cell reference will be made. Do the same thing for 2017. Start the reference with an equal sign, push to the cell from where the reference should come, and push enter to have the cell reference made. Net working capital change is the difference between 2018 cash and cash equivalents and 2017 cash and cash equivalents. To enter a formula, push the equal sign, push to the first value in your formula, enter a minus sign, push to the second value that you want in your formula, and push enter to have the result included. So you see, by examining the formula, the value in cell H17, 12 million, was deducted from the value in cell I17 to give you the value 2 million that's in cell J17. Continuing to complete the rest of the spreadsheet, let's do the column for 2018. Push an equal sign and push to the accounts receivable for 2018. Push enter to move that value across. Push an equal sign for inventories. Move to the inventory value for 2018. Push enter to bring that value across. For accounts payable and accruals, the current liabilities, they need to be deducted from the current assets. So in this case, we will add an equal sign and also a negative sign to indicate that we will deduct current liabilities. So let's deduct the current liability, account payable, enter, and an equal sign and a minus for the accruals. Push enter. Now for the function, we want to add the column under 2018. The function will be a sum. Start with an equal sign, type the word sum, a left parenthesis, click and hold the left mouse button as you cover all the values that you want to sum together, make a right parentheses, and when you push enter, the sum of that column will appear. This should give you a good start on how to complete this spreadsheet. Give it a shot. Do well. Thank you for listening.